this meditation, we're going to connect with each chakra in turn, using our breath to heal and harmonise the 7 energy centres along the spine. Sit or lie down comfortably. Bring your attention to your body. Notice the shape your body is making. With each in-breath, feel your body being energised. With each out-breath, release any physical, mental, or emotional tensions. Now bring your attention to the base chakra. Imagine you are breathing red light in and out of the base chakra. Imagine this spinning ball of red light being energized with the in-breath and releasing on the out-breath. Now bring your attention to the sacral chakra below the navel. Breathe orange light in and out of this chakra. Feel a sense of relief and release as you breathe out of the sacral chakra and let go. Now move your attention to the solar plexus chakra. Breathe yellow light in and out of this chakra. Visualize the light and breath coming in and out on every side of the body, 360 degrees all the way around the body. So you're breathing in and out all the way around. Visualize this chakra as a spinning, steady, strong, yellow light as you continue to breathe in and out yellow light. Now move your attention to the heart chakra. Visualize breathing green light in and out of the heart chakra, all the way around. Let anything you are holding here be released with the out-breath. Now move your attention to the throat center. Breathe blue light in and out of this chakra. Allow your breaths to be long and deep, but gentle. Now move your attention to the eyebrow center. Imagine breathing indigo light in and out of the third eye. Allow this area to relax. Allow the mind to relax. Now move your attention to the crown chakra at the top of the head. Imagine breathing in and out indigo light. Here we are connecting with our higher self. Release anything that you do not need as you breathe in and out indigo light. Now release the practice of chakra breathing. Visualize your body surrounded by white light. Put white, sparkling diamond dust into the white light. See it sparkling all the way around you, in front, behind, left, right, above and below. Know that you are protected, healed, and supported by this white light. Bring your attention back to your breath. Bring your hands together at the heart center. Rub the hands together to create heat. Now place your hands over your closed eyes, opening your eyes and bringing your hands down. The rainbow breath meditation is now complete. Know that you can use this meditation anytime for centering, calming, healing, and balancing.